afternoon. I am Leila Loops Parachups 25 Angola. Toros ka ba? Kasi ang tamis-tamis mo. I am Angel Desado 20. Spain. Ayos mo na ba? Kasi parang sarap mong dilata na. I am Kate Kim Diaz 18. Brazil.
Tomboy!
Stapler ka ba? Kasi pipikit sa'yo at ipasakit.
Good afternoon. I am Jimena Room number 17, Mexico. Piso ka ba? Kasi binuo mong ngipin ko dahil sira na ito.
Good afternoon. I am Maria Angelica Colmenares de Las Vegas, 19, Yoki Ray. Kutsara ka ba? Pasubo naman.
Mickey Mouse!
Siyempre, Gonzalo sa Bravo 18, Belgium. Nota ka ba? Kasi ang sarap mong isubo eh. Okay!
Dia
production number, and now we'll proceed to the most awaited and the most critical part of the competition, the interview.
alam nila yan si RR.
Okay, in the interview, in the interview, right.
Ano ganina yung
Leila.
Okay, good evening and good afternoon, Miss Angola. Okay, pick an assuming judge. Question, pick a question.
Show me.
Number 3.
Wala number. Okay.
Ano ko naman yan?
Number yan. Okay, the question mo ay, anyway, in this competition, we have interpreters. Marami siya. Okay. Okay, ang tanong mo ay, kung ikaw ay isang hayop, ano ka?
Interpreter.
At bakit?
Kung susiyo ka, animal yan, so ikaw susiyo.
Yung sisyo.
Brigada Eskwela. Shokola nata, si Benja, ang ikay Olivia, Chuck Tegi ka.
Where's ano na soya? Thank you so much. Thank you, Miss Angela.
Bye-bye.
Okay, may we call our Spain. Miss Spain. Okay, Miss Spain, how do you feel right now?
I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure she's your mother?
No.
Okay, then pick your question. What's the...
Number 1.
Are you sure it's 10? Okay, this is your question. Ito yung katanungan mo. Kung pupunta ka sa isang lugar na isang magandang lugar, sino gusto mong isama at bakit? Yung mahal mo ha?
Gusto susiyo mo goha sa lugar wa. Phoenix piyang misyo mo gohan na.
So bakit?
Katawa lang po. Thank you.
Okay, the question is, if you want to go to a wonderful place, what would you, who do you want to go with?
And why?
And why? And where? And what time?
My family.
Only one guy.
Family.
My sister.
Guy, sister, guy.
Honor, si Ate Jai.
My special someone.
Okay, right.
Because he is special.
Because she's special for me.
Okay, she is guy. Are you sure that special someone is special?
With Anonoy!
Good evening. Are you sure? It's just a joke. Good afternoon. Okay, pick a question. Are you sure? Wala papel. Okay, the question is, ang katanungan mo ay,
Sir Noy.
kung ikaw ay magiging Serena, sino gusto mong maging Shokoy?
Kung siyo ka, Marmedems, Phoenix piyang siyo mo gohan na yun.
No comment, thank you.
Boo! 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 Asiria! Ah, inano si Brazil? Si Zeronel.
Ma'am Jade. Ma'am Jade. Ma'am Jade.
Wala lang, type lang. Crush mo na rin si Benja. Yeah. Okay, next. Miss?
Woo!
Miss Ra. Are you okay, Miss Ra?
Okay. Ano ka ba, Miss Rasha? Kung usirula?
Kapitulo din ng to, versikulo binago kong iyang atawag katong sa Eric. Tali pa gusto mga kayo, brad tao. Thank you.
Wala pa na. Hindi pa na ako po rin yung question. Hindi pa pa sa ina. Wala pa na ito po. Okay. Kung ikaw ay kung ako ang magiging yung ina, may karapatan ka bang mabuhay? Porque me regata da kasi talaga importante gawin ka pa.
Nag-berret ka pa. Ano ba yun?
Sabdaman sa laylain.
Es, ano na? Porque me regata da kasi magiging ka pa. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you for that wonderful question. Wala ba siya answer? Question na lang. Okay, next we have Miss Ukraine.
Yeah!
Are you sure that you came from Ukraine?
Not exactly.
Okay.
Not exactly.
Okay, kung ikaw ay maging tubig, ano ka ba? Purified? Ano? Sparkling water? Anis?
Distilled.
Sisyokaw water do, anis sisyokaw. Set of tennis, at yun yung atani. Ito sa sisyokin nga ang sarabak yun. Kung sisyokin maging tubigay, ito sa sisyokin, biskan ano may nga tubigay, basta akeskin, yung tuga-er sang sugabangs, ita sa sisyokin, kay palangga ko dito sa sugabangs, kag sa syugi akes, magpiling-er sang anis-anis.
Ano ko na?
Piliin daw siya na maging tubig, hindi siya magpipili ng kahit ano, basta ano siya, yun na yun. Kanal. So, lyric kanal. Okay. Tanda na naman may 6 pa. Okay. Are you comfortable with your dress? Yes. Diba? Okay, take your question. Okay, question number 31. Sa test, test ko na siya. Right, may resume. Okay, essay na lang. Okay, what is the difference of ano ang nakaiba ng bakla at ng lalaki?
Anyas ang jubilams sa notice kag jubilams.
Well, thank you for that wonderful question.
Boy, gusto ko siya. Ano ka natabi?
Ang pagkakaiba ng bakla at saka lalaki ay ang lalaki ay yung sila tinang ginaside unlike jubilas nga nota ang notias grabe niya jotian ang jubilas wak notias Songkong, what a receive question and answer portion. Okay.
Top 3 dapat.
Walk, the final walk of the top 6 in this competition.
Top 3.
Top 3 may talent tayo.
Sir Ronel, top 3.
May talent tayo, sir.
Go!
Each comes with all that junk inside the trunk. I'ma get you drunk. What's up, Naila? What's up, man? Alright.
Check it out, our drunk is crazy.
Wow! Bunga!
They bought me out this ice. Don't you in the barn? Then they turn it down. Sharing all that money I was wearing. And they say they love my ass. 17 to religion. I see no, they keep giving so I'll take it. And no, I can't take it. We can keep it there. And I can't straight in my love, my love, my love, my love.
Regalador.
Check it out. Let a girl down after disco. She said, hey, 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 yeah, let's go. Baby, you can be mine. Let's spend time, not money. I'm gonna show you.
Imaginary.
Okay, tama na pagturon ko para dalawa. Sa akin mo siya ng way. Nakipulit. Okay. May we call on the top 6. And now, from top 6 going to top 4.
Top 3.
Only 4 spots will be... Yes. After the critical part of the competition, the question and answer portion, we made the decision that we're going to have our top 4. And now, are you ready?
Yes. No.
Me too.
No.
The top 4. Naduda ako sa top 4. Paniwala na lang. Okay, the top 4. First spot is for...
Miss.
Congratulations! And now you're dreaming for this, Miss. You can run him, And now, the next part is for... Who's your mat?
Angola.
Are you sure?
Yes.
We have Miss Mexico! And now we still have one spot. You're still in the competition. Miss Angola! Thank you so much for the list of this. You may go home without okay, these are the top 4. One of these ladies may be our Miss Universe Earth 2011. And now, take your ladies, after the commercial break, we're going to have the talent portion. Okay. Tapos sa commercial break. Wala lang, Belgium! Wala lang!